Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the wildest Mustangs ever built, the 2026 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just a car, it's a full-on attitude on wheels. Vaughn Gittin Jr. and the team at RTR have taken the already fierce 7th-gen Mustang and turned it into something that looks, sounds, and drives like pure chaos in the best possible way. Right from the first glance, the Spec 5 hits you hard. The design is loud, muscular, and unapologetic. Exactly what you expect from a modern American muscle car. You've got that aggressive wide-body kit, massive front splitter, and a rear wing that looks like it came straight off a race car. Those RTR signature LED lights in the grille glow like fangs in the dark, and the car sits lower, wider, and meaner than any Mustang before it. It's not subtle, and that's the point. The Spec 5 wants to be noticed. Under the hood, oh yeah, it's got plenty of bite to back up the bark. You're looking at a supercharged V8 pushing around 870 horsepower. That's right, nearly 900 horses ready to tear up the tarmac. This thing isn't built for quiet Sunday drives. It's built to dominate tracks, drag strips, and everything in between. The sound alone is pure rock and roll, deep, angry, and absolutely addictive. Every rev reminds you this car was built by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. But what's cool is that it's not just brute force, it's precision too. The Spec 5 comes with an advanced suspension setup tuned by RTR, beefed-up brakes, and performance tires designed for serious grip. Whether you're drifting through corners, attacking a circuit, or just flexing on the highway, this Mustang feels balanced and confident. It's wild, but it's controllable, like taming a monster that actually listens to you. Inside, Ford and RTR have made sure it feels just as special as it looks. The cabin gets custom RTR seats, suede accents, and unique badging that constantly remind you you're driving something exclusive. There's a big digital cockpit, driver-focused controls, and enough modern tech to keep it practical while still feeling raw and connected. It's that perfect mix of comfort and chaos. You could daily it, but honestly, you'll want to take the long way home every single day. As for pricing, the RTR Spec 5 isn't going to be cheap. Expect it to start around the $90,000 mark, depending on options and performance upgrades. But for what it offers, near supercar power, aggressive styling, and that pure American spirit, it's an absolute thrill for the price. Compared to previous RTRs, this one's just next level. The older Spec 3 and Spec 4 cars were already beasts, but the Spec 5 feels like the final form. Everything maxed out. More power, more style, more personality. It's the ultimate evolution of what the modern Mustang stands for. Freedom, power, and a bit of rebellion. So yeah, the 2026 Mustang RTR Spec 5 isn't just another muscle car, it's a statement. It's Ford proving that even in an age of electrics and hybrids, there's still room for raw, supercharged fun. It's the kind of car that makes you fall in love with driving all over again. Let me know in the comments. Would you take this 870 horsepower beast over the traditional Shelby GT500? Because after seeing what RTR's done here, it's a seriously tough choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car deep dives. Until next time, keep it loud, keep it fast, and keep it Mustang.